Hi, this is Jeff with Accurate Lock and Hardware, and I want to introduce you to our GR, R is for rabbit, G is for glass, 87 glass patch kit. So we have a similar product called the GR86. They almost look identical. This body is about a ½ inch larger. But the 87 series has a UL listed Mortise lock body, 1½ inch back set. And it has emergency egress, which means if I had a deadbolt function here, the inside lever would simultaneously retract the latch of the deadbolt. The GR86 does not have that feature. This is an office function, GR87. You'll see that the toggle controls the outside trim. So now we're locked. Inside lever always free. And then I can just toggle it unlocked. And of course, if it is locked, then I have key override. So the GR87, again, it's rabbeted so that you can close up against privacy gasketing on a proprietary frame. We have many lever trims, many finish designs, bronze, US 19 matte black. This happens to be electroless satin nickel, which looks like 32D. We can equip these with other brand levers, and we have at least 15 functions that you can incorporate inside this patch kit. ½ inch glass, rabbeted, GR87 glass patch.